Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Firefox error code NS error net inadequate security. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to visit any specific website using Firefox. According to our research, the error may happen due to browser configuration issues, incorrect system time, or TLS settings that block the website from loading. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to close Firefox and restart your device. After restarting, check if Firefox needs an update. If yes, update it and then check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check if your system time is correct. If the time is wrong, set it accurately according to your region, and then check for the error again. If the error persists, then try disabling HTTP2 in Firefox settings. Type about config in the address bar and press enter. If a warning appears, click I accept the risk. Then use the search bar to find network.http://pdy.enabled.http2 and set it to false. Then check if this helps with the error. If the error doesn't resolve, then check the security.tls, setting in about.config. If any preferences under that branch have been changed, reset them to default. Once done, restart Firefox and check for the error. At last, if you still get the error, try using any other browser. Simply open the same website in Opera, Chrome, Edge, or any other browser, and check if the error continues over other browsers too. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.